Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 4 to 10, 2025. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. Let's see, Capricorn. What's up for this week? August 4 to 10. Phoenix. Oy, rising from the ashes. Transformation. Ito na yung pagbangon ninyo, Capricorn. Yung mga ano dyan, nagkaroon ng malaking challenge or nag-struggle lately, you are now coming back. Oh, ang pagbabalik. Maaring pagbabalik ng lakas ng loob nyo, pagbabalik ng inyong motivation sa buhay. You are healing. Kaya naman pala, maaring iba sa inyo nagkasakit lately or you just feel weak, no? So ngayong linggo na to, mas malakas ka, mas naka-recover ka na, and now, you are back. Empowered. Diba? Oh, yun yun. The sun and the moon. This is about partnership. Maaring meron kang papasuking collaboration, partnership with someone, and ito yung strength, no? Lakas mo. Kasi pinagsama yung energy ng sun tsaka ng moon, 'di ba? You have the emotions that you need. You are more intuitive, no? Malakas ang instinct mo. At malakas rin ang loob mo. So pag pinagsama mo 'yan, maganda yung direction niya na tatahakin. Kasi you know what you're doing. So let's see your overall energy. Whoa! The Death card. This is transformation. Makes sense. Something is ending, something is beginning. So meron ka i-let go na chapter sa buhay mo. This can be a job, a career, a relationship that you feel you are not aligned, no? Hindi na aligned yung energy mo doon. Meron ng bago na nagbibigay ng inspiration sa'yo. Or you just feel like a chapter of your life is closing, no? Is ending, and a new beginning, a new chapter is opening. May bagong chapter, ganon. Kumbaga ano yan, season. Tapos na yung first season, second season, third season, o next season na. Ayun. What is your challenge? Oh! Takpan na lang natin dahil baka tayo ay maano ni YouTube. So, the devil. The devil is your challenge. And this is yourself, no? Mga Capricorn. Inaantok ako. Okay. So, maaring merong ang challenge niyo mismo sarili ninyo. Mahirap maging kalaban ng sarili. Kasi nagiging self-sabotage yan, Capricorn. Yung tipong alam nyo na it will hurt you, pero gagawin nyo pa rin or hindi nyo gagawin. 'Di ba? Kasi halimbawa, pag ginawa nyo itong isang bagay na to, ikaw rin ang mahihirapan. Or pag hindi mo to ginawa, ikaw rin yung mahihirapan. 'Di ba? So that's self-sabotage. Yun yung challenge sa inyo. Para iwasan yung self-sabotage na yan. Yung iba sa inyo may mga unhealthy habits kayo na kailangan nyo na i-let go. Otherwise, no, kung hindi nyo i-let go yan, kayo rin mahihirapan dito sa changes na nangyayari. 'Di ba? Isabay nyo na yan sa transformation nyo, yung pag-let go ng unhealthy habits. Your opportunity, you have the High Priestess. This is someone who is wise. Alam niyo yung ginagawa niya. Connected siya sa kanyang instinct, intuition to the divine guidance. So you have the opportunity to know what you need to do. Oo. And yung inyong instinct, intuition is going to lead you, no? Ayun yung mag-guide sa inyo towards dun sa new beginning, sa new opportunities na lalakbayin nyo or susubukan nyo or sisimulan ninyo. And then your blessing is, you have the Two of Wands. I feel like meron ditong nagta-transition eh. Example lang ha, nasa corporate ka, na office job, no? Tapos, hindi ka na masaya dun sa office job mo na yan or kung ano man yung trabaho mo na yan or source of income mo. At gusto mong may magbago. So ngayon, parang paunti-unti sumusubok ka ng iba. And then, kumbaga hindi mo kayang parang iwan agad yung trabaho na yun. Parang yun nga, nagta-transition ka. So, some of you, your blessing is this new opportunity na sinusubukan nyo. New career, new business, new source of income, new pathway, no? Bagong landas na tinatahak ninyo. Nandun na kasi yung kamay nyo, no? Yung isa doon iniiwanan nyo na. So, that's part of the transformation ninyo. Let's see your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances. Knight of Wands and the Knight of Cups. I think sa finances ninyo, mas magte-take action kayo kung ano sa tingin nyo yung nagbibigay ng happiness or excitement sa inyo. Yun yung mas importante sa ngayon, kung saan kayo masaya. Kung saan kayo mas nag-e-enjoy. Like kung trabaho, anong trabaho yung mas nag-e-enjoy kayo? Anong career, anong business yung mas nag-e-enjoy kayo? And I also see offers, no? Maaring may job offer, yung iba sa ibang bansa, yung iba, this is offered ng isang kaibigan or someone that is close to you, can be a job offer or a business offer. And then, sa love life ng mga Capricorn, love life, healing, 8 of Swords, nako, maaring iba sa inyo naka-experience ng panloloko, cheating, o maaring meron dyan, hindi nagsasabi ng totoo sa kanyang karelasyon. Pwedeng you are dealing with someone na may kalokohan na ginagawa. Parang pakita niya is okay siya, masaya siya, or parang okay kayo, pero hindi. Someone ay, maaring you are in a relationship na may limitation. You are in a relationship na parang hindi ka makaalis kasi sa tingin mo, ito yung comfort zone mo, ito yung safe zone mo, safe space mo. But actually, no. Pwedeng you are dealing with someone who is narcissistic. Yung tipong ayaw kang paalisin or ayaw niyang umalis ka sa relationship kasi kailangan ka niya. But some of you, maaring maaring gusto niyo umalis. Pwedeng yan din yung ending. Pwedeng yan din yung transformation for you. Lalo na kung nagkaroon ng cheating, lying. Trust issues na to eh. So, mahirap na talaga kapag nawala ang tiwala. Mahirap ibalik. Let's see what else. Dealings or relationship with a man with blonde, gray, or white hair. So, medyo matured na tong person na to. Maaring yan yung person that you are dealing with sa business or sa relationship. Getting together with friends. Yung iba, magbibigay kayo ng time with your friends to go out, to have fun, enjoy. Family wishes come true. O yan, kung ano man yung wish ng family mo, na halimbawa, you want to have a vacation, you want to have your own house, o pwedeng yun, yung isa sa magkakatotoo. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Ayan. Huwag mo raw hayaan na ibaba yung standards mo para lang sa isang tao. Na yun, halimbawa, nasa isang relationship ka na toxic. O, alam mo naman na hindi naman yun yung standard mo, pero nagsistay ka pa rin. 'Di ba? So, kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, yun yung i-pursue mo. Para worth it. Energy. Stop trying to please everyone. Everyone is a whole lot of people. Protect your energies. So, for some of you Capricorn, you are going to protect your energy. Wag, hindi mo hayaan na ano, yung parang mabilis kang apektuhan ng mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. Kung merong nang-aasar, nang iinis sa'yo, iiwasan mo. So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.